What up, guys? It's the Canadian Pyro coming right back at you. I finally got a fucking fuse, so this is basically the last. I have like a few already made with sparklers in them, but if this doesn't go off, I'll just put a fuse in it. It's a fucking 8-grammer with stars, so we'll see what it does. Putting it right here. I'm not gonna go down into where I used to go because it's too sketchy. So I'm waiting for the cars. One. There's another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Oh shit! Almost fell. Oh my god! It actually worked. I did not expect it to work because they're, oh my lord. This is how you get the fucking cops on your ass. Oh yeah. I didn't expect that to fucking work. Holy shit. Yeah, that was nuts. Awesome. Peace out, guys. Like and subscribe if you want to see some more of that.